guys! Mag-unboxing tayo today. Ayan. Ito dumating ngayong araw. So, buksan natin. Daddy, can you please turn on the light, please? The lamp. Yeah. Mag-unboxing tayo. Unboxing tayo. Oh, here you go. Ito na. Mag-unboxing tayo. I love you too. Love you too. Love you too, love you too, love you too. Okay? Mag-unboxing tayo ngayon guys. Paulit-ulit eh. Ayan. Ito ang aking espada. Ito ang aking sword. Ganyan siya kalaki. Tan, 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 tan. Ganito lang po siya kalaki. Yeah, ganun lang. Ayan. So, para mag-unboxing. I love you. Too much attention. What? Yeah, that's what I like. Hey. So ito guys, yung microphone. So, dito natin bubuksan yan. Gamitin natin yung sword. Ayan, ang ating tambukas. So, diba? Ito guys, yung ating microphone o Magic Sing. Ayan, ayan. Oh, may paper. Ayan. Ito ang style niya. Ayan, Magic Sing. Smart karaoke. Yes. Kasi we like to sing, we love singing, so why not? Bili tayo ng microphone para magagamit tayo dito sa bahay. Tignan natin anong itsura. Anong itsura? Medyo heavy ha. Tingnan natin. Oh, ang cute. Guys, ang cute. Look. Look guys, meron siyang bag. Oh. Meron siyang bag. Ayan, magazine bag. Ayan. Ito na siya. Tingnan natin ito. Okay. Wow! Ang ganda! Ayan, kaya hilig natin. Tignan nyo naman ang aking smile. To the max ang saya. Why? Because I'm happy. I'm happy about this microphone, Magic Sing. Want to sawa na to. Want to sa... Oh! Dalawang microphone, gold microphone. Tapos meron siya sa loob may mga song hits. Song hits o songbook. Ayan. Ayan. Ano naman ito? Singing to over 200,000 songs. Song list pala sa tapos, may remote control siya guys. Dito saksakan ng mga lang. Yan siya oh. battery, guys. 6 pieces. I mean 3 packs. But each pack is 2 pieces of battery. So, okay. Ito yung ano yan, wire. Aux ba tawag dyan? Basta yan. So that's it, guys. There's nothing inside anymore. That's it. Pagod ako, galing ako trabaho. So, yeah, everything inside of my work. And the extra free songs, Wi-Fi is not needed to play the songs in this room. So, hindi na kailangan daw ang Wi-Fi. I guess that's it, guys. Kompleto na tayo. May mic. So, kailangan ko itong i-hook sa TV. Mas mo lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano nito. Magkabit.
All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it.
Guys, ilagyan natin ito ng battery. Dito. Atap na.
Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again.
And then,
Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this. Love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again.
tapos, ito
It's
naman
all I
yung
ever need. No one else
winner.
will fill my heart like you do.
Paano ba to? Connect natin pa. Kailangan ko muna tong basahin lahat tapos
No more
i-connect
fears
sa TV.
left in me. I can see
So
you
guys, hanggang dito na lang
right
muna kasi
and
hindi ko
you're
pa
always
kailangan
near.
yung husband mo
There's nowhere I could
yung
be.
nasa mo siyang
All I
ikabit
need
ito,
is you.
i-connect.
Feels like I can make it more than I
Sabi ko,
deserve. You
kabit mo
gave
na,
all to
ayusin mo na.
me
No,
so I can
kabitan na, papahinga
come
pa ako.
closer to
Kasi
you.
gusto niya talaga.
Take me
Sisilatin
in
niya
your
kung paano
arms
lahat.
and hold me.
So that's it guys. Thank you for
With your
watching.
love, find my rest and I can
Bye.
see